everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice, like Portuguese.
यह detalhado sobre o vídeo do Stabor, curar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ne hi mere channel ko subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara mengatur.
皆さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法。
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord and STEELSERIES are giving out 1 month free Nitro. This promotion started on October 8th and ends on December 31st. Stick around, because the word free is a lie. To be eligible, you cannot have had the full Nitro in the last 12 months. However, they allow Nitro Classic, free Nitro trials, and Nitro purchased with imaginary orbs. Basically, if you haven't paid for the full service recently, you're fine. This offer is not for Syria, Ukraine, Russia, Iran, or North Korea. Now, for the biggest obstacle. You must go to the STEELSERIES page, link in the description, and log in. Here is the catch. You need to purchase a product that is above $20. It must cost more than $20. Any product. A mouse pad, a sticker, a slightly defective cable. $20 minimum. After your purchase, you will receive your 1-month Discord Nitro link. Note, you must still add a payment method to redeem the free Nitro. They want the auto-renewal. Hi, is this a terrible idea? Because you can buy Nitro directly from Discord for $10. You are spending $20 plus shipping to save $10. This is illogical. I recommend you only do this if you or your friends were already planning to buy something from STEELSERIES. Ask them for the link. These promotions are getting worse. Last year, you just created an account. Now, it's a financial hurdle. We must accept this illogical reality. If this video saved you $20, please compute a like and subscribe. Join my Discord server for actual free things, like server decors and layouts. Thank you for your viewership.